What's up, guys? Ralph Fixer here, and I'm back, and my LG washer is leaking. So I got puddles every time I turn this thing on. So first things first, I pop the top and I take a look at these water inlet valves. I got my hot and I got my cold. Thing is, these guys leak constantly if they're bad, but mine aren't bad. There's a little bit of residue, but none of mine are bad, so I'm moving on. First things first, lean this guy up against the wall to the point where it's comfortable, and you know without a doubt it's not going to fall back down on you, by all means. Not sure why I removed this door, but I did. You can leave yours on if you want. Not long after getting underneath this thing, first thing I find is the culprit. Check him out. Well, now it looks like I got some parts to order, and the way you do this is first open this door, then look down here and get that model number. Easy enough, right? Now go to vendor of your choice. I used Amazon and I typed in the model number along with pump to tub hose. That's what this guy is called, pump to tub hose, or vice versa, as you can see, tub to pump. So about 3 days later, my parts came in. Same deal. Lean this guy up against the wall and get to it. First, I started with taking this off first. Not too hard. So after I got that off, I went to attack this guy in the back right here. Gonna have a little residual coming out, but that's normal, to be expected. So you may have to play around for a little bit to find a good angle to be able to get a good grip on this clamp. I know it took me several tries and I eventually got it. Not a big deal. Basically, it's the same thing for the other side. You know, play around a little bit, find you a pretty good angle, get the squeeze on it, and get it right out of there. Boom. Get out of there. There you go. So now I have the old with the new. I'm basically just going to transfer these old clamps to the new hose. It's pretty straightforward, right? Look at that. So what happened when the clamps were released from the hose, the diameter became bigger and then the needle nose weren't good enough. So then I had to use these guys. Good old channel locks. Always save the day. Look at that. See, too small. So I put this on first, and then I'm going to attempt to put this on second, and then the other side I'm going to put that on obviously last. As you can see right here, I have to stretch the bellow, and it seems like it's pretty substantial. But the thing is, this is an aftermarket part, and this is really nothing uncommon. So don't be alarmed if yours is doing the same thing. So here we go, same thing. Find the angles and make it work for you, and get those clamps on. Don't give up on it if it gets a little annoying. So the clamp that was on the pump, it took 2 hands to do that, and I don't have a video of me actually clamping that. So what you see right here is the finished product, and everything was good to go as far as my eye can see. So moving on. All right, the moment of truth. So let's do this. It's time for a test run. All right. Let's go. And voila, no leaks. Did you think anything less? No leaks at all. This thing is still going, nearing the end of its cycle. No leaks. Dry floor. I win. Here's my tidbit right here. After each and every wash, please leave these guys open so you can avoid those unsavory smells that build up.